Today, I take you come along to cook belly pork and fench bean with red curry paste. It's so nice. I come along to cook the first time. Put the pan on and cooking oil. I use this cooking oil. It's so nice. First time I chop it pork belly, take skin out pork belly and chop this the piece like this. And onion, one onion. And fried bean is chopped half. Fried bean, it water and chop it half. Like this. First time put pork in first. Now we prepare the pasty I use this pasty, red curry pasty. It's so nice. You can get from Indian supermarket, Chinese supermarket, and Thai supermarket. You can get that. Take it one spoon, put in here. Put a little water. When pork is cooked, put onion in. and put red curry pasty in. And stir it. Make sure get in properly. Very easy, very simple to cook. You can cook at home anytime. You don't need to be hungry with the food. You've got so many nice food to eat. Now put the fenugreek bean in. We can put rice soy sauce in, like this, rice soy sauce in about tablespoon, like that. About teaspoon of fish salt. Half teaspoon of white pepper. Put some tomato in. If you not have it, just put sugar in. Tomato in. You can find from Chinese supermarket or Thai supermarket. About this. Put 2 teaspoons of sugar. And stir it. Very simple to cook. Now all cooked, all done. Turn the cooker off. Put that in here. So nice, so simple to cooking. If you love my cooking, comment it and subscribe it for me. Thank you.